welcome back to Tonitra's Garden. It has been a minute since I have uploaded a video, and I think it's the perfect time because spring has arrived. I think we got our last cold snap, so I believe my seedlings will be ready to officially stay outside in the next couple of days. So to help out with that process, we're going to be putting together something super special. Vego Garden sent me their garden potting table, and I think this will be perfect to help organize my gardening supplies and probably put some of my seedlings on and to start some new seedlings. So we're going to go ahead and put this together and see what she's all about. Okay, let's get it going. Part one says we're gonna put these two like this. Do that. Okay. What I love about Vego is their instructions are very, very easy to go by, and they always have everything in the package, and everything usually fits well. Like all the pieces go together nicely. So now we're gonna be putting it together. Yeah, good job.
Do I do it this way since it's the opposite?
So I had my little helper come and tighten up all the screws. I'm thinking I want this like in this area. I'm gonna just place it here. All right, so here she is all put together. OMG, I'm gonna get so much use out of this. In the front, we have two shelves, and then we have our top shelf. All right, Royal, so she is all put together. It was a breeze to put this together. You could do it on your own, but I had my son help me with the screws, tightening all the screws, so it was just simple. So I'm going to be using this potting table for potting. I'm going to be using it for seedlings and for storing all of my gardening supplies at this bottom shelf. So this is cool because it has 3 tiers. This middle shelf comes out if you need it to, and you can remove this and you can have more space in between here on this bottom shelf for whatever needs that you may have. And a cool thing about this is this top shelf, you can use it as a deep container for potting or whatever you need so that your stuff doesn't fall off, or you can flip this over. You can flip it over and you can use it as a flat surface. Both of these flip over, so you can use it as a full flat surface or half and half, just depending on what you're doing. It's very versatile. Also over here on the side, we have some hooks, so you can hang some things like tools and things like that. I see myself using this also for when I need to clean up vegetables. I feel like this would be a very nice thing to have for when I need to when I'm not ready to bring the vegetables in the house yet. I can just store them right here and they're right at the door because my door is right there. So I have so many ways that I'm going to be able to use this spring. I'm so excited. Thank you, Vego Garden, for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and put some plants and fill her up. I wonder if this tote could fit under here. Let's see. I'm sure it could. It definitely can fit if I remove this shelf. So you can put a tote under here. You can put baskets. You can do a whole lot of things. I'm probably going to end up putting some baskets once I do some measurements, because I do want to keep this middle shelf. I feel like it would be super handy. So, you know, I'm just going to store things like this. All of my little gardening supplies. Soil amendments so that I can get to them easily. And this thing is so durable. I know this is going to last me for years. All right. And then look over here. And hang you a little something there. I'm gonna just do a plant or two for now. These are just some outdoor plants that I keep outside, just to kind of bring it to life. There we go. Okay, so this is what I decided on for today. I am going to get some baskets, I think, for the bottom shelf. And yeah, I cannot wait to use this spring for all of my gardening needs. If you're interested in this product, I'll have everything linked in my description. I do have discount codes for you guys, so I will make sure that they are up here on the screen somewhere. So yes, if you are looking for a potting table, make sure to check out Vego's potting table. This is going to last me for years and years, and I'm just so excited. Everything will be linked in my description box, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.